Hello everyone, I'm Ziba Rajabi. I'm working on a site-specific installation for crystal bridges, and also I'm going to make some part of it on site during the exhibitions. It is called a glitched home. The whole idea of glitched home comes from my experience of being away from home and not being able to see my family and home in person. Ever since I left Iran, I thought I may be forced to leave anytime. So I mean, wherever I go, I still think that I may have to leave anytime and pack all my stuff in my suitcase. The installation is going to be a home interior space with more than 2,000 pieces. But actually, I tried and saw that I really can fit the whole home installation into a suitcase. And it directly addresses my living experience right now. I would be so glad to see you there.